Say you love me. Say it for me and not for you, because you can do without it. I can't. Masculine, feminine, these differences that plague us must draw us together, yet they divide. Never have we learned how to conquer self first in these battles we fight. So here I stand in front of you, asking you to tell me that you love me. Not because I don't know that you do, or because I enjoy nagging you, but because I desperately cling to those words. My world is not so scary when you've said you love me. You laugh, I cry, all the men in the world could laugh with you, and all the women in the world wail alongside me. So let's put the weapons down, but please tell me that you love me, so I can breathe again. This desperation is rooted in daddy issues and abandonment issues. I'm woman enough to admit that this has nothing to do with you, but everything to do with the broken woman that I am. So if you can look past yourself long enough to see me, please tell me I'm your everything, and that love of me makes you every bit the man you are. Then every day show me that you love me, because actions trump words anyway. So don't just tell me you love me, live it out.